Hi, good morning everybody. Beautiful day, and it feels just amazing to be seeing this progress and how clean everything looks. I honestly gotta say a big thank you to my guys for putting their back into this and making me proud. This building is so big that if I was gonna walk around, probably I needed to take 5 or 6 videos in order to be able to reach the other side of the building. And of course my boys are gonna be working, always. Hello, good morning guys. Here we go. Now we got our board and batten started in the back, and we had a little tiny defect here that needed to be fixed. So before we go very far, we'll just simply fix it. And before anybody else comes and say fix it, and here we go. Boys are killing it. Stay tuned, it's just gonna get more exciting.